Hello, welcome back to the channel. This time we're going to show you how to correct the mileage on your Mark IV era Volkswagen. Same procedure for Passat and like that. So first thing I did, because I'm doing it out of the car, is I made a quick bench harness, just power, ground, ignition, and K-line to an OBD connector, hooked it up to a battery, and as you can see, cluster is powered up. Currently 200,345 kilometers on this cluster. So we'll switch around to the computer and we'll show you the next steps once your cable's connected. Okay, once your cable's connected, you're going to open up VAG EPROM programmer. Gonna click dash, read EPROM. It's gonna read. I'll just wait for that to finish. Alright, once that's done, always save your original just in case you ever need to go back. Save as, and then we call it whatever you want. Rich and all with some dashes, so we save the numbers. Save. Okay, but to do the mileage, super easy. You can see all the information here as well. For this card, gives you the milage login and stuff. But change the mileage. We're just gonna come over here, type in our new mileage. We're gonna go up to 999,549. Gonna click set kilometer, and we wait for it to do its thing. There you can see new mileage 999,549, and the cluster just reset and did its beeping. There it goes. Again, that's because it's out of the car. And that's that. Nope. And that's that. To correct the mileage, you can go up like that, you can go down. So yeah, that's how you do that. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Hopefully that was interesting and useful for some of you guys. And we'll catch on the next one. I'm going to be doing some more tweaks with this cluster. Thanks again. Catch on the next one.